Hello there. Today, I am delighted to present to you an overview of the World Assemblies of God Fellowship and the breakdown structure that leads to the AOG Fiji Mission Department as the AOG Fiji World Mission. The World Assemblies of God Fellowship, WAGF, is a global organization that represents one of the biggest Pentecostal movement in the world, known as the Assemblies of God. It serves as a platform for cooperation, fellowship, and mutual support among AOG churches and ministries worldwide. Here is a breakdown of the structure and components of the World Assemblies of God Fellowship. There are 162 general councils of the Assemblies of God which are autonomous, that come under the WAGF, the World Assemblies of God Fellowship covering. We are then divided into 9 continents, which are Africa, Asia Pacific, Northern Asia, Southern Asia, Europe, Latin America, MENA and Central Asia, North America and Oceania. Within the 162 countries in the WAGF, only 102 countries have a mission department of 63% that have some type of missions program. All of these 102 mission programs in the WAGF come under what we call the Mission Commission. The AOG Fiji is one of the 102 General Council countries that have a mission sending body, mission department. In the late 70s and 80s, the AOG Fiji Missions Department had sent missionaries to the Pacific Islands, the Kingdom of Tonga, Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, Kiribati, Marshall Islands and the Torres Strait, in Australia. Today we have strong AOG councils in the Pacific. We stand on the shoulders of our forefathers, and by God's grace we have gone to the Pacific and beyond, reaching the lost at any cost. Through the collaboration of the Mission Commission, we have implemented structures that will mobilize the senders to advance and grow. This includes vetting, training and deployment. As the context on every field varies, understanding and adequate research is paramount. This has assisted us in developing a structure that is simple, transparent and feasible, easy to understand and most importantly, implement. Here are the 4 pillars we have adopted. 1. We reach. To reach the unreached people group and the unengaged. There are 7,000 unreached and 1,700 unengaged. 2. We plant. To plant bases and stations, plant church in host nations, and to achieve the MM33 global expansion, his mandate our mission. 3. We train. To train our missionaries through our mission school. 4. We serve. To serve God's purpose for our generations, cross-culturally and in our homeland. The AOG Fiji had to develop a strong national sending structure to benefit the local church and even those that have worked previously on their own or with another missionary sending agency. This demands understanding and dialogue. However, the AOG Fiji World Missions in moving forward by facilitating the missionary movement through the WAGF network rather than a mission agency, which is the host national church. This shift in approach allows for greater collaboration and the support from other AOG councils around the world. By leveraging the resources and expertise of the WAGF network, the AOG Fiji World Mission can effectively mobilize and send missionaries to areas in need. There you go. In conclusion, the World Assemblies of God Fellowship and its breakdown structure, leading to the Assemblies of God Fiji Mission Department, exemplify the commitment to global missions and the desire to see the kingdom of God advanced. Through this structure, WAGF provides assistance and guidance to the AOG Fiji Mission Department, encouraging them to fulfill their mission calling within the Pacific and beyond. Thank you for your attention. And God bless you.